But if you see, the average is only 50%. Since most of you are newly joined the districts, I just wanted to sensitize you about this app. There's 2 times which the attendance needs to be captured. Once when you come inside, once go out. Primary schools start at 9 and up to 3:30. Upper primary and high schools 9 to 4 o'clock. So there's a 10 minutes grace time for out time. But if you look at the district-wise figures, all the districts are in red because the average is only 50%. So please see that this culture of capturing attendance, it's geo-fenced. There's no extra effort on the teacher. He just needs to, from his own phone, he can capture the attendance. Please see that it goes up because we need to work on which teacher has not come, which are the schools where there's only one teacher, where we need to send teacher from another school to this school so that children do not suffer. So these are very important aspects. First few days we need to put this thing in place and see that this is stabilized well. Next, Dokka Sithamma Madhyana Bhojanam, Badi Bhojanam. This is a very, very important aspect which all of you need to focus on. As I was telling you, usually collectors, not to belittle any other department, but we focus on, if you have 30 mandals, 30 MRO offices, 30 MPD offices. But imagine each of you have put 1800 to 2000 schools under you. About 1.5 lakh children eat meals every day, provided by the government. So the quality really matters. How it is being served, what is the quality of midday meal being served. Now, couple of collectors, sir, we spoke to all the collectors. They have given some suggestions. For example, హాట్ పొంగల్. ఈ హాట్ పొంగల్ అనేది కొన్ని ప్రాంతాల్లో బాగా ఇష్టపడతారు. ఒక అరగంట అది వండేసిన తర్వాత పక్కన పెడితే గట్టిగా అయిపోయి తింటలేదని చెప్పి ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ వచ్చింది సార్. అలాగే కొన్ని ప్రాంతాల్లో కొన్ని ఉదయాన్నే మధ్యాహ్నం పూట ఈ పులిహోర తింటలేదు, ఇష్టపడట్లేదని కొన్ని డిస్ట్రిక్ట్స్ నుంచి వచ్చినాయి. సో వీ హావ్ టేకెన్ వెరీ స్పెసిఫిక్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ ది districts. What we said is, our Honorable Minister also has told us to comprehensively have a review at the menu without compromising on the nutritional inputs. So what we said is, to start with, boiled eggs and chikki are compulsory. Please continue that. But within the 6 days of menu, if you want to repeat any item which is already part of it, suppose hot pongal tintaleru, some other item which is part of the menu, you can try it. Because very soon we'll be having a review and we'll come out with more comprehensive. When you're working on it, we're talking to nutritional experts, we're taking feedback. So as a stopgap, please see that. But every child should have. Look at the percentages. Some percentages are quite low. Kakinada is only 86% of students already attending. It's not the total percentage. So districts may kindly have a look. See that whatever is cooked, people should be able to eat it. The quality and the menu items. So that flexibility we are giving it to you. Any other inputs also. The other day, midday meal ayas came. I asked them, you please make one menu and give it to us as a suggestion.